Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1200 Leithhead Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be checking out this super awesome 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport Premium. This truck has a whole ton of really cool off-road upgrades, so let's just jump right in. First of all, power for this Tacoma comes from a 3.5 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. Starting out at the front, we have our blacked out grill and our fog lights, plus our hood scoop up there, and it looks amazing in the Voodoo Blue. We have upgraded off-road tires riding on 17-inch alloy wheels. Coming around to the side, we have our color matched mirrors and door handles with the integrated turn signals in the mirrors. Up top, we have a full Prinsu roof rack. We will take a closer look at that in a minute. And coming around the back, we have a soft tonneau cover. And this truck is lifted and it does come with a leveling kit. Being a premium, there is some excellent interior options. So let's hop in and take a look at what it has to offer. This Tacoma is equipped with a keyless entry. And if we reach up here, we can just check out this roof rack a little bit more. This is excellent quality and you can pretty much carry any cargo you like up there. So if we just peek inside, we can see our gorgeous black leather interior, which is pretty much exactly new. Coming around to the back that carries through, we got seating for three back here. And we do have the all-weather rubber matting. Opening up the door, we have our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Moving on in, we've got our lights, traction control, and hopping in and taking a look at the steering wheel. On this side, we have our audio controls and our Bluetooth hands-free calling. Over here, we have information that we can access up on our dash. Right down here is our pre-collision system and our lane departure warning. This Tacoma is equipped with a push-button start, so you just put your foot on the brake, and she's good to go. Taking a look up on the dash, as you can see, we can scroll through here using our steering wheel controls, and we can set it up to see everything that we would like to see. Moving on over to our central dash, we do have our navigation system here. It does have an AM/FM radio, it is satellite radio ready, and it does have Bluetooth and USB and auxiliary power inputs. If we go to our home and our menu on here, there is a lot of other features that you can find to customize your vehicle as well. Coming down is our dual zone climate control. And right on either side there, we have our heated front seats. Down here is our blind spot monitor. And this does come equipped with the built-in phone charger. We've got a few cup holders and a nice big center console for storage. We also have more cup holders for the back passengers. And over here, our glove box is lockable and does include the original owner's manual. Moving on up, we do have our Power Sunroof. And just checking out the back again, it's really roomy and very comfortable. And we do have the sliding back window. So let's hop out and take a look at the bed and see what we have for cargo space. So on the side, we do have our TRD 4x4 Sport badging. And of course, in the back, our Tacoma and V6. Down here is our factory installed tow hitch, and it has all the necessary electronics to hook up your trailer. This is our tonneau cover right here. And this does have the locking bed. And when you open it up, it does have the dampening system, so it is not going to fly open on you or slam closed. We do have a really good composite bed in here that is in excellent condition with lights, tie downs, and of course our power outlet right over there. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport Premium with me. If you'd like more information or to take it out for a test drive, please come on down to 1200 Leithhead Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada. If you'd just like to get some more details, you can visit our website at KelownaToyota.com or give us a call, and one of our fabulous product advisors would be really happy to chat with you. We hope everyone's having a great winter season. Please drive safe, and we are looking forward to seeing you soon.